أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
واذكر ربك في نفسك تضرعا وخيفة ودون الجهر من القول بالغدو والآصال ولا تكن من الغافلين.
And remember your Lord within yourself, humbly and fearfully, and quietly, in the morning and the evening, and do not be of the neglectful.
إن الذين عند ربك لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ويسبحونه وله يسجدون.
Those who are in the presence of your Lord are not too proud to worship Him. They recite His praises, and to Him they bow down.